And they need to redo this bridge right here. Yep. This is a historical bridge. They need to redo it. But, of course, y'all see it. Bridge been around for many, many moons. Time change and people change, y'all. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Yep. Slowly but surely. You see it? There always gonna be some hate. No matter what you do in life, it always gonna be some hate. You gotta make your haters your motivator. No matter what you do in life, it always gonna be some hate. You ain't got nothing good to say. Keep your mouth shut and take that finger and go to YouTube and hit that subscribe button. Johnny Roberts 7044 on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. Then it'll be official like a referee whistle. Time change and people change. I need the whole world to go to YouTube and type in Johnny Roberts 7044 and hit that subscribe button. You got to make your haters your motivators. Again, no matter what you do in life, it always gonna be some hate. It always gonna be some hate. Yep. Time change and people change, y'all. That's the old gym. And there go the new one up there. Please believe it. Yep.